In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off Loom video emojis. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to start by opening Loom on your device. If you're new to Loom, you'll need to sign in with your account credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to your main screen, which is your library. Here, you can access all the videos you've created or recorded. Now go ahead and locate the video where you would like to disable those emoji reactions. This is an important step, as each video has its own settings, and it's essential to choose the right one. So take a moment to find that specific video. Once you've found it, click to open it. When your video is open, you'll notice various options and settings available on the right side of the screen. Look for the Settings option. It's typically represented by a gear icon, which is a common symbol for settings across many software platforms. Go ahead and click on that. Now you will see several tabs, but what we are interested in is the Audience tab. Click on this tab to access the audience-specific settings. This is where you will find all the features related to how your viewers can interact with your video. Scroll down a little until you arrive at the section labeled Emoji Reactions. This feature allows viewers to respond to your video content using emojis, which can be fun and engaging, but sometimes you might want a more focused interaction without those distractions. So here, you will find the option to adjust this feature. To turn off emoji reactions, simply toggle the switch next to Emoji Reactions to the OFF position. It's usually pretty intuitive, as the switch will move, and perhaps change color to indicate it is turned off. This means that your viewers will no longer be able to react to your video with emojis, making for a quieter viewing experience. Once you've made this change, there's no need for additional steps to save it. The change is applied automatically to that specific video. You can easily verify that the setting has been switched off by returning to the Settings menu and checking that the toggle is indeed in the OFF position. And that's it. You've successfully turned off emoji reactions for your Loom video. This small adjustment can significantly change how your content is received, especially if you're conducting a more serious presentation or discussion where you want the audience's full attention. Before we wrap up, let's quickly recap what we did. We opened Loom, signed in, and navigated to our library. After selecting the video to edit, we accessed the settings and found the Audience tab, where we discovered the emoji reaction settings. Finally, we toggled it off, ensuring that viewers could no longer use emojis as reactions. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. If you have any questions or need further assistance on how to navigate Loom or any other features, feel free to leave a comment down below. I'd be happy to help out. Remember, if you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful content. Thanks for watching, and happy video creating!